Hello friends, welcome to Inspire Education. Today we are going to see what a bearish flag pattern is. A bearish flag is a continuation pattern suggesting that the current downtrend may continue. ये एक continuation pattern है जो कि current trend के continue होने की confirmation देता है and जो bearish flag in particular है, it indicates that the current downtrend may continue because it is a bearish signal. Therefore, it confirms the continuation of the current downtrend. A bearish flag consists of a steep or nearly vertical rise in the prices. As is visible in the chart, it witnesses a steep or vertical rise in prices and consists of two parallel trend lines. ये दो parallel trend lines हैं. That forms a rectangular flag shape, जो कि एक flag shape की तरह दिखती हैं. Therefore, the pattern name is flag, and therefore the pattern is named as the flag pattern. The vertical uptrend that precedes a flag, the vertical uptrend जो कि flag को precede कर रहा है, that may occur because of the buyer's reaction to a favorable company's announcement or new product launch, anything which is positive in the stock. इसकी वजह से vertical uptrend visible होता है. The sharp increase in price is sometimes referred to as flagpole or mast. This vertical steep rise in the prices is sometimes referred as flagpole or mast. The rectangular flag shape which is formed is the product of what the technical analyst referred to as consolidation. ये जो rectangular flag shape बनता है इसको technical analysis generally consolidation बोलते हैं because there is no clear trend visible in the market. The consolidation occurs when the price swings between the upper and the lower point. See, the price is swinging between the lower point and the upper point, then coming on to the lower point, going to the higher point. So this is a consolidation phase in the stock. This might happen, for example, in the days following a positive breakout. This generally happens जब एक steep rise आ चुका है, and the days following it sees a consolidation period when the excitement is starting to subside. Generally जो product में excitement था, जो stock में excitement था, that is starting to subside, and fewer buyers are willing to pay the high price. यहाँ पे इस range में fewer buyers are willing to pay the high price, but sellers are also unwilling to sell below. See, this is the selling points. So sellers are also unwilling to sell below a lower support price. Finally, a bearish signal occurs. या इस point पे एक bearish signal occur करता है when the price rebounds beyond the lower trend line. इस lower trend line से नीचे की तरफ price जाता है of the flag formation and continues the original lower downtrend movement. और finally continue करता है downtrend. See, here the stock was in a downtrend, but here it followed a steep price, and finally जो stock है इस point पे sell signal generate करता है, एक bearish signal generate होता है, which witnesses the continuation of the current downtrend. So important characteristics of the pattern are that trend lines in flag pattern are basically parallel होती है, while in pennants they are converging. So this is the basic difference. एक flag pattern में trend lines are always parallel to each other. The duration can take round about 3 to 4 weeks. It can also form in a period of as short as 5 days because these are short-term patterns, but it should not take more than 4 weeks. The pattern is taking more than 4 weeks to form, so those patterns are less reliable, we can say. Coming on to the targets that the pattern sees, the length of the flagpole, ये जो length है flagpole की, that when subtracted from the breakout levels, यहाँ से जब subtract की जाती है तो here round about here we can see the target price that is achieved. So length of the flagpole indicates the potential price decrease. When flag completes, the price typically jumps down to replicate the height of the flagpole. So this is all about the bearish flag pattern. I hope I have made things clear. Any queries you have, you can log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you so much.